Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT without the need of a phone number. So without further ado guys, let's get right into it. So as we all know guys, if you want to create an account on ChatGPT, you will need to provide a phone number here as stated here. But in the tutorial I'll teach you guys, even though we don't have a phone number for example, we can still use this. So we need to use a virtual SMS here. So all you have to do is search for free virtual SMS. So all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and go to here, receive smss.com. So this is a very reliable site, guys. All you have to do is pick a country here. For example, this is the one, and all you need to do, guys, is click the copy and just paste it on the phone number provider. So the next one site guys is getfreesmsnumber.com, and in here you just have to go ahead and like we did before, pick a number here, and you just have to copy and paste the number as well. So there guys, you can also change the number here. You just have to paste it on the uh, text box of the phone number, and you just have to wait for the confirmation, SMS confirmation, right? That and there guys. So there guys, that is how you can use ChatGPT without phone number. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.